All right, guys, so for today's story, we're going to look at some of this book. It's called Seed to Plant, and it talks about some of the things that we learned this week. All right, and it's by National Geographic Kids, and the author is Kristen Bayard Ratini. So it says, what is a plant? A plant is a living thing. It stays in one place, but it grows and changes just like you. There's water lilies, and that's a tangerine tree. Oh, you know tangerines. We eat those at school. Plants can be big or small. Some have flowers. Others also grow fruit. Trees are plants too. Plants are a big part of our world. Farmers grow fruits and vegetables. These plants give us food. Some plants can be used to make clothing. Your t-shirt is made from cotton plants. So this is cotton, and they use the cotton to make your shirts. Other plants are cozy homes for animals, like this bear in a tree. Parts of a plant. You can use your body to remember the parts of a plant. So, arms are like leaves. Your body is like a stem. Your feet are like roots. Roots hold the plants in the ground. The stem helps the plant to stand up tall. And leaves soak up the sunlight. How does a plant begin? Let's dig in. Most plants start as a seed. The seed split opens and shoots out. This is called germination. A new plant is beginning. The seedling starts to grow. The roots reach down into the soil, and the stem pushes up into the air. Just like you, a plant grows bigger and bigger. The roots spread out and down into the soil. The stem gets thicker and stronger. More leaves and branches grow. What do plants need? Plants need things in order to grow: soil, water, food, sunlight, air, and space. Water and some food come from the soil. The roots soak them up. Sunlight and air enters through the leaves. Plants use them to make more food. Plants also need space to grow. So the sunlight, it gets air. The soil is the dirt, and it gets water and food through the roots. We don't need that page. Flowers bloom. Many plants grow flowers. They start as a bump called a bud. The bud slowly opens and petals gently unfold. So those are the flower petals. Surprise, it's a flower. Sticky pollen. Flowers make a sticky powder called pollen. Pollen sticks to birds and bees when they fly from flower to flower. Then the pollen rubs off on the other flowers. This is called pollination. It helps flowers to make seeds. So that's why bees love flowers, because they get all the pollen from it. Do you see how it's stuck all over this bee? And the bees go from one flower to another, and it passes all the pollen off from one flower to the next flower. And it helps the flowers to make seeds. Seeds. Plants make seeds in different places. Many plants grow a case around the seeds. This is called a pod. So inside of some beans, you might see some seeds, a pea pod. On strawberries, the seeds are outside. So that's why you see all these little seeds. Those are the seeds on the strawberry. And on the inside of an orange, you might see seeds. They're pretty cool. skip this one. And this is the page we're going to end on. Pass the plants, please. People and animals eat plants to stay healthy. How many plants did you eat today? So remember, fruits and vegetables and plants, they're good, they're healthy, and they make you healthy, and they make your body stronger. So it's important that you eat your fruits and your vegetables. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this little book.